How to use coins on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use your coins on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your AliExpress. Now you can use the app itself or even the website. After you do so, make sure that you are logged into your account. After you do that, this is the first page that you land on. Tap on coins. After you do that, you will be able to collect your daily coins. So right there, you will see boost your coins and so many more other options. Just go through it if you want to. I'm not going to do that. And after you do so, you will see the collect option. Tap on collect. Now that is how you basically collect your coins. Now what you need to do to use those coins is that just select an item and tap on buy now. After you tap on buy now, your coins will automatically get added to your price. So you will get the discounts based on the coins that you have, and that is basically it. So to use the coins, all you gotta do is just collect the coins and then just add your items to the card and simply start buying the stuff. And after you do that, you will get the discounts as much as coin you have, and that is basically it. So that is how you use the coins on AliExpress. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.